Alright y'all, James Reid back with another video. Today I'm going to show you how I make potato salad. We're going to start off basically about a cup of mayonnaise. I brought out a cup and a half just in case. Use whatever mayonnaise works for you. Here's a quarter teaspoon of salt, a quarter teaspoon of pepper, quarter teaspoon of dill weed, all going in. We're going to mix that up. I can already tell we're going to need all that mayonnaise. Alright, mix that up. Now I've got 7 boiled eggs, they're all going in. I'm going to set the spatula aside. And I just want to break these eggs up. With my spoon, I want it real rustic. I want good chunks of egg. So just break it up. However big or small you see fit. My rule of thumb is one egg per potato. And don't use rule of thumb. My general ratio, 1 egg per potato. Leave them real rustic. Give that a mix up. I'm going to throw in a tablespoon of Dijon mustard. I'm going to mix that up. I'm going to add the potatoes a little at a time. I want to break them up with a spoon, kind of like I did the eggs. I want some big chunks and some small chunks. Don't be afraid to mash up some of it. side, I'm going to add the rest of the potatoes. This is what it's looking like so far. Gonna break these potatoes up. Gonna mash some of it down. This way you get a mixture of textures. Now we're going in with the greenery. I've got chopped parsley, chopped bread and butter pickles, some dill pickle relish, some finely chopped celery heart with leaves and stalk. That's all going in. And I'm going to set the spoon aside for now. Now we're just going to start folding all that together. Honestly, this is really good. Made the night before you need it. That way everything can kind of blend together overnight. And we're going to taste. And there you have it. I think it's good. Potato salad. Super easy. Peace out.